Hi there, 7th graders. Mr. Kerr here, and we are going to be talking about week 4 as we continue our discussion around economic topics in the Eastern Hemisphere. And specifically, we're going to be talking, they seem to be kind of complicated issues, but they're really common sense. Supply and demand, trade, specialization, and of course you're watching the video. Here's your suggested schedule here. You're going to check your grade book. You're going to take the quiz for the week and all of that here at the beginning of the week. I want to take just a second to really kind of go over the suggested schedule piece. So all of your teachers have something similar to this. They're not all exactly the same, but all of your teachers have something similar around this suggested schedule for the week going Monday through Friday. You also have other things going on in your life beyond school. And what you should be doing at the beginning of every week is setting up a master schedule of all of your classes, all of your other extracurricular or outside of school things, and set up a master schedule for the week. Because it's great to set up a schedule for one class, but if that means you don't end up going and doing the stuff in your other class, that doesn't really help. So anyways, with that, just really want to suggest that you make a master schedule, not only looking at this suggested schedule, but make a master schedule. So as we're in Unit 3, Week 4, Supply and Demand, Specialization and Trade. And actually, this first Supply and Demand, Specialization and Trade, it's not really an assignment. You click in there, and but there's nothing really. It asks you to take some notes, but it doesn't really have a place to turn them in. But just to clear that up, you'll be doing this vocab term images, where you will be finding images for vocab terms and turn them in, and then you'll you'll connect those here to this media page, and then you'll actually turn those pictures in here. Supply, demand, natural resources, and technology discussion board, and your quiz, which you'll get 100% on at the end of the week after when you take it again. And you take it the first time early in the week as a pretest, write down, take notes, write down questions, and you'll get 100% on it later in the week. Okay. Another thing, some of the videos here, they go kind of fast, and they show you these graphs and charts. What I suggest is watch them once, and then go back and watch them and be ready to stop them and take notes. If they're doing some charts and stuff, think about, kind of draw off to the side, with your own paper and pencil, draw off to the side some of the charts, and then put in some of your own goods and services and things to really help bring them home so that they make sense. But a lot of vocab, talking about voluntary exchange, comparative advantage, market behaviors, supply curves, demand curves, surplus, shortage. All of these things are really important, and sometimes it gets overwhelming with all the vocab, but just relax, take it in stride. You have all week to get your work done. So, all right, with that, if you have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you soon. See some of you on Wednesday. Thanks. Bye.